Hello guys, I thought of making a really small video about how to refill a Zippo Bradford made in USA. So first of all you need the lighter, possible one that works. It's very simple. Just open it, take it out just like this, pull it out. At the bottom it has this thing that you should slightly open like this. Inside you can see there's white stuff, I don't know. Anyways, so next tip, you have the fuel. Just open it like this. At the first time when you bought it, when I bought it, this was capped, so you have to make a little cut. Once it has the hole, you just open it and you can hear a little hiss. No, not anymore. I got it. Anyway, you open this like this and you just go pouring it in. Of 5 seconds, then you wait, so you let the fuel get down. It's very important not to overfuel it, because if you go with too much fuel, then it will come dropping down from this side. So all you need is to do about 3 times, at least 5 seconds of making it. Here we go. Thank you. Close this. Reinsert with this one on the inner side. Close it. And then, here we go. You got the light. Nice and strong. And here we go. Here it is. How to refill a Zippo.